and thank you for joining me to a new video by Original Video Reviews. I'm the OVR guy, and as you can see we have here a new package. Inside it is hiding the Nespresso Essenza Mini Espresso machine, and as always we're going to find out how to use it and what I think about it. So let's not waste any time and unpackage it. Well, boys and girls, what we have here is the Essenza Mini Espresso machine by Nespresso. I've been using the Essenza Mini for 6 months now, and it's the 4th Nespresso machine that I get to review. When I first learned that Nespresso is about to launch the Essenza Mini, I was very excited, mostly because I was eager to learn if this machine can offer the same experience as the Nespresso Essenza, Nespresso Inesia, and Nespresso Pixie machines, which I'm familiar with, but in a smaller package that will take less space. The answer is yes and no, and this is what I will try to explain in this video review. The Essenza Mini comes in several designs that differ from each other by their shape, which is either rectangle or triangle, and by their color. This is the triangular red version of the machine, but except the visual difference they're exactly the same. Along with the machine, the package contains a tasting pack with 16 espresso capsules and the relevant documentation. The Essenza Mini's measurements are 11 on 20.5 on 32.5 centimeters, it weighs approximately 2.3 kilos, its electric usage is between 1200 to 1310 watts, and like the other Nespresso machines, it generates a pressure of 19 bar. Now let's take a closer look at the Essenza Mini. At the top are located the control buttons. The left one is for espresso brewing and the right one is the lungo brewing. The lungo button operates as the power button as well. Next to them is this metal lever that you need to raise for the insertion of the capsules. You don't need to use too much pressure to operate the lever, and so far it proved to be durable. The Essenza Mini is a manual machine, so if there's a used capsule inside and you raise the lever, then the used capsule drops into the capsule's container. The container can hold up to 6 capsules, and beneath it is the drip base. This is the coffee outlet, and beneath it is a detachable drip tray. If you're using a tall glass, you can remove the drip tray. And at the back of the machine is a 0.6 liter water tank. Operating the Essenza Mini is basically identical to the Nespresso machines I mentioned in the beginning of this video. It takes the machine 25 seconds to heat up until it starts brewing the coffee. The machine would turn off automatically, but you can do it yourself by pressing both buttons simultaneously. If you're making coffee, you can stop the coffee flow by pressing the same button once again. You can program different water volumes for espresso and lungo, and change the auto off mode from 9 minutes to half an hour. Now that we know everything about the Essenza Mini, let's go to the bottom line. There's no doubt the Essenza Mini looks great. It offers the same build quality and coffee standards as the other Nespresso coffee machines, plus you can get it for a very reasonable price tag. The compact measurements result in a smaller water tank and a smaller capsules container. If you're drinking a lot of coffee, it means you'll have to fill water and empty the capsules container more frequently, which for some people can be a nuisance. Personally, I also use tall glasses, which requires me to remove the drip tray, but even then, some glasses cannot be inserted straight beneath the coffee outlet, though you can place the machine on a higher surface to solve this issue. But if you're fine with the drawbacks I just mentioned, then I believe you'll be satisfied with this coffee maker. Well, boys and girls, this was my video review about the Nespresso Essenza Mini coffee machine. For further information about this item, please check the description to the video, and if you still have any questions about it, please comment on this video and I will do my best to come up with an answer. If this video review was helpful and you enjoyed watching it, I invite you to like this video. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channels, OVR Fashion, OVR Kids, Original Video Reviews, and of course this channel, OVR Chef. And there's also the Facebook page and the Twitter account and the Instagram account and my Amazon profile pages, so there's plenty ways for you to follow Original Video Reviews. I would like to thank you for watching another great video by Original Video Reviews. Until next time, bye bye!